Thursday, April 25th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Meteorologist Matthew East here along with you. Yesterday, we had a pretty nice weather day across the region. A lot of 70s for highs. Even Boone was pretty close to 70. 76 in Charlotte yesterday. 79 degrees in Fayetteville. 77 in Raleigh and Jacksonville. Greensboro 75, 81 yesterday for a high in Columbia. This morning, cooler air spilling on in from the northwest. Boone is down to 38. You have some 40s up in the northern foothills areas around Surrey and Wilkes County, but still 60 at the 5 o'clock hour in Charlotte, 61 in Raleigh, and 67 down in Columbia. But this cooler air is indeed spilling on in from the northwest. It's down to 35 in Columbus, Ohio, Buffalo at 37. You had Columbus in the 60s, and at this point yesterday, down to 38 degrees in Tupelo, Mississippi. So this chilly air is moving on in our direction. Now on the radar, it's all quiet across our area. The showers and storms really fell apart very quickly as they tried to cross the mountains and move down into the foothills and the Piedmont. The rain totals over the last 24 hours, there you go. Very little precip making it east of the mountain areas. So this, again, as expected, the main dynamics were pulling away to the north, and the showers and storms really kind of dried up as they tried to push into our area. Now, at the moment, at the 5 o'clock hour, again, you have some showers in parts of the northeast. That's with that front that's moving on through the region. Another little piece of energy back in the upper Midwest. That really won't play a big role in our area, but there are some areas of rain in places like Chicago this morning. Severe weather, pretty prevalent yesterday morning till around lunchtime down in Louisiana. A number of wind damage reports and a couple of tornadoes in the New Orleans metro area, especially around the Kenner area. Had a confirmed EF1 tornado there. A couple of tornado reports on the west side of the city of New Orleans. Now around our region today, that cold front slowly pushing offshore. I think a lot of sunshine for areas west of Interstate 95 as we go through the day. It'll be a pretty comfortable day too, although a little bit on the cool side. It's a beautiful Fridays on the way with sunshine and highs toward the low 70s in many Piedmont spots. Next storm system beginning to take shape here in the southwestern parts of the country. There's your piece of energy in the upper levels this afternoon. As we move out to the weekend, this is 96 hours on the European, so this is Sunday evening, and you have that broad trough moving on in, spreading some rain into the region. And then let me just show you this very quickly before I move to the surface charts. The pattern is very chaotic late next week. This is the European for Friday morning, big close low over the plains, a ridge in between. That close low and a big trough near the eastern seaboard. Just kind of a crazy looking pattern, so there's going to be a lot of model variability for later next week. But let's go to what happens as we head into the weekend. Tomorrow, again, a gorgeous day. This is Friday afternoon. Over the weekend, though, the rain opportunities will move on in. This is what the European looks like for the rain Saturday afternoon. At the same time frame, the GFS actually a little bit more aggressive in bringing rain deeper into the Carolinas. And then the modeling is pretty much unanimous in that Sunday is going to be a wet day. That's Sunday evening, so that's the precip through the afternoon hour Sunday on the European. The GFS also quite wet for Sunday. And then the shower chances just kind of persisting. There's Monday and Tuesday, still some opportunity for showers out there. So just kind of a pattern this weekend and early next week that we'll have this easterly flow off the Atlantic, kind of a cool setup, and there'll be the chance of some of these showers from time to time. So a different type of setup for this weekend into the first 2 or 3 days of next work week. Okay, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.